and I went out. 3 girls is interviewing him.
Sunbury, Footscray, and scheduled to arrive and terminate at Melbourne Southern Cross Station.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. The dark gets lonely. Now I see violet. I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see.
Lemon lime bitters. This has been my order all the time. I'm unsure of what to order. Oh, we finished them all. This is the second batch. This is my favorite, but yeah, I can't finish it, so it's paying. So we just missed our train to Bendigo, and now we're here at Starbucks. Yeah, because I have to pee, and yeah, so we missed because we saw it 3 minutes. And
well, it was 7 minutes when
I'm paying. So yeah, we're here at Starbucks again, and I'm gonna grab. We're gonna grab another drink again. And I'm doing pomegranate. I think this is all good now. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So red. I'm gonna just leave it there for now. And I have this already on ice. Oops. Look how red it is, guys. Pomegranate. Pumping pomegranate. Yeah. I'm just gonna wipe all of this. And yay! Because Doug didn't make me coffee this morning.
Someone must sleep.
Actually, you didn't ask me if I should wake up. I missed my boxing training, guys.
Didn't realize that she had to get up.
I didn't tell Doug. He doesn't know. He doesn't know what my but I don't know. He didn't check me. So maybe he thinks I need to sleep because we. Yeah. So I'm not blaming anyone. So. I said anyone. So weird. And we have to take the dogs for a walk, and look at what they're doing right now. Just like playing.
And I'm sorry, I just can't live without you.
Sorry for being ugly, guys. I will get ready later because we're going to a party, but right now I'm just cooking the Korean spicy pork, but we don't have the sauce, so I'm just gonna deal with using the spicy gochujang hot pepper paste. So I'm just gonna use that. We also have this pink guava drink. Doug tried it already. I also did have a sip, and it's so nice. But he wants to try the guava drink itself, like the green guava. And I want to try like this grape drink. So we have 3 drinks here. It's just it's $2.50 each, but then if you buy 3, it's $6, so basically $2 each. This one, the 500 grams is $4.
That's half for cheaper. They get it.
How's your night out last night?
Look at my hair.
Mess.
My hair actually starts looking like a mess.
That's not. It suits you though. That's
Yeah, that's
why
what I'm saying.
girls trying to hit on you. It's a nice story though. So we're just like, I went to go to the toilet and I went out. 3 girls is interviewing him. And it was just like, Pepe, I think they're hitting up on me. I was just like, yeah, they are. I mean, anyway, oh, it's blurry. I think my lens, I damaged my lens when I knocked it off the other day.
Maybe. Put on HDR. Maybe.
Yep.
There's it on HDR. You don't want it on HDR.
It's all good. Let's see. It's not so sweet. It doesn't hurt my...
The stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
So I need to buy this for Shinji. Maybe only one for now. And wait for our yeah, I'm just gonna buy one for now and then wait until the weekend when we have our grocery budget for next week. So yeah, this is for Shinji's food. So I'm not gonna buy Tia's food here. I have to look somewhere else for her food. But for now, I'm gonna buy my meat because I need meat. So I'm gonna be cooking my all-time favorite, Korean spicy pork. Onions lang, kimchi, and gochujang. Spicy Korean pork and the side dish. Go guys, go! And I'm gonna be watching Love the Jungle with Atterina again. We're here at Nair, just looking for perfume and such. Ayan, just looking around.
Night sky, you're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point.
And you can see me eating. That's all for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. So see you guys on the next vlog. Thank you.